The brightness and contrast of an image can be easily adjusted using Photoshop. I'm going to navigate to my assets, and in this example I'm going to open up the balls image. I'll change the view of the image so it fits the screen. Navigating to the Image tab, I can go to Adjustments and I can choose the Brightness Contrast menu. I'm presented with two sliders. Moving them in any particular way will change the appearance of the image. And when I'm happy, I can press OK. An alternative to this is the Auto level. I can go to my Image Adjustments level and I can choose Auto and then press OK. Photoshop will automatically adjust the levels according to the high and low balance it thinks is best. The levels can also be manually adjusted, again from Image Adjustment Levels. Rather than clicking Auto, you can change the output from the high to the low. So we can change the black and we can maneuver the white. So the histogram will change slightly.